Hi friends, I am Anas from WebsiteWise. So today in this video, we are going to learn how to make an e-commerce website. So if you too want to sell your digital or physical products online, then you must need an e-commerce website. So in this video, I am going to show you from scratch to advanced that how to build an e-commerce website on WordPress. So if you want to learn this, then you have to follow up with today's video. Now, in order to make an e-commerce website, you need a good and fast, reliable web hosting service. So as you can see over here, first of all, you have to follow the link which is given in the description and you have to purchase the web hosting to make your own e-commerce website on WordPress. So as you can see on Hostinger, currently there is an offer starting from only $2.59 per month. Fast loading New Year, which means that if you will host your e-commerce website over here, then you are going to get multiple best services along with the fast website speed. So it's up to you which plan do you choose or which hosting do you choose, shared hosting, cloud hosting, WordPress, cPanel or whatever. So below you can scroll down and see multiple features of Hostinger like easy to set up, simple fast websites, WordPress made easy, and besides these, you're also going to get 24/7 chat support, which is very good. Hence, you have to purchase a web hosting of Hostinger by following the link which is given in the description to make your own e-commerce website on WordPress. So once you have purchased the web hosting of Hostinger, now our main steps start. First of all, you have to install WordPress on your domain and you have to log in to your WordPress dashboard. Now, if you want to know how to install WordPress on a domain and how to activate SSL on the domain, so for this, you have to watch this video which I will share in the I button. Okay, you can watch this how to install WordPress on a domain name. So you can watch this video to know how to install WordPress on your domain name, and in this video I have also showed that how to activate SSL on your website. Now from here our main steps start. So in this step 1, first of all you have to install a theme to make an e-commerce website. So as you can see, currently our site looks like this. There is nothing over here. Alright. So first of all, in this step 1, we have to install a WordPress theme. For this, you have to move back to your WordPress dashboard and then come in the appearance and in the themes section. And then you have to click on add new. Then you will be able to see Astra theme. If you are not able to see, then you can simply search over here Astra and you will get that. So first of all, you have to install this theme. So you have to click on install button. And then you have to click on activate to activate this theme on your website. Now this theme is activated on your WordPress website. So if you will now come back to your website and click on refresh, you will be able to see that it doesn't look like an e-commerce website. Now all you have to do is simply come back to your WordPress dashboard and you have to click on theme details. So below you can see an option of extra options. You have to click on this button. Now as you can see over here, there will be an option of install importer plugin. So you have to install this plugin to your WordPress dashboard. So once it is done, it will take you to this page. So just make sure that you are in the Elementor section, not in the Gutenberg or in Beaver Builder. You have to be in the Elementor section. Alright, so now there are multiple ready-made templates which you can use in your website. So all you have to do is simply you have to search for e-commerce templates. So you can search for e-commerce and there will be multiple themes which you can install. Some are paid and some are free. So it's up to you which theme you like the most. Hence you have to install as your wish. For an example, if I open this theme and simply click on import complete site. So if you like this theme, you have to click on import complete site. And now you have to provide them with some information like I am a WordPress beginner, intermediate or expert. You can go with any of the options. And in the second one, I am building website for myself or for my client. You can go with any option. And now you have to click on next button. Now you can easily skip these options. So let me click on skip. And now currently our template is being installed in our WordPress website. Hence it may take some time. So you have to wait for it. Now as you can see over here, our template has been successfully installed on our website. Now we have to come back to our WordPress website and click on refresh button. So as you can see over here, our website is completely changed and now we have got the complete look of an e-commerce website. So you can scroll down and below you can see over here some products which you can add your own products and can sell it and can make money from e-commerce business. And below you can also scroll down some more sections of products, and if you will come above, so as you can see here is a section of all products. So if you will come to this page, you will be able to see that here is the list of all the products. Alright, so we have to customize this website. Hence this is our step 2. In this step 2, we have to customize this website to make this e-commerce website according to your way. Now let us start from the top. First of all, we will learn that how we can customize this header and this logo. So for this, you have to come back to your WordPress dashboard and let me cut this. And now you have to refresh this WordPress dashboard. Now you have to come in the menu section which is under appearance. Now as you can see over here, from at the top, select a menu. To edit, you have to choose the main menu so that you can edit it or you can customize it. Now as you can see, currently these are the items which are added in this menu. So if you want to remove any of these items or want to add some more items, you can even do this. You can add post, pages, custom links, categories. You can add anything and you can remove anything. So once you are done with this, you have to scroll below and you have to click on save menu so that it can be saved. Now what if we want to customize this logo? I mean, what if you want to add your own logo over here? For this, you have to come back to your WordPress dashboard and you have to open this customize area in a new tab. So here as you can see, you have to click on this. Once you will hover on this, you will see this icon and you have to click over here. So if you want to remove this, you can simply click on remove, or you want to change the logo, you can even do this. And if you want to display your site title, you can even do this by making it on. Okay, so let me just remove this image, and by default my site title should be come over here. So after this, you have to click on publish button. Now you have to come back to your WordPress website and click on refresh button. So as you can see, the changes are applying to our website. Hence we are working fine. So what if we want to customize this whole page? Okay, what if we want to customize or we want to add our own items in the home page? So let me tell you that this particular page is made with the help of Elementor Page Builder. Hence you have to customize this page with that only. So for this, you have to open this page with the help of Elementor, which you can see at the top of this WordPress bar. Now we are on the Elementor customize part, and now we can easily customize this whole page with the help of Elementor. So what if we want to add our own text? Suppose if we want to remove something or if we want to add something, we can easily do from here. And if we want to remove or change this image, you can also do here. Just select image and you can see if you want to choose another image, you can go in the middle library section and can choose anything else. So for now, let me choose this image and click on insert media. So as you can see over here, if you want to increase the size of this image, you can even do this. You can set over here like large, thumbnail, medium. Okay, just you can change the size and it will be over here. So once you are done, just make sure that you click on update button so that your changes can be saved. And let me come back to our website and click on refresh. So as you can see that it is working fine. So let me come back to the customize area. So what if I want to remove a section? So for example, if I want to remove this section, so you have to click on simply cross button and it will be removed for you. Okay. So it is very easy to customize a page with the help of Elementor. So you can remove this page also, I mean this section also, and you can even add anything else you want. Okay, so for example, let me click on update and come back to our site and click on refresh button. So as you can see that it is changed. Hence, in this way, you can easily customize your home page with the help of Elementor. Now we have to move to our third step, which is to customize the products area, which means this one. Now in this step 3, we have to add products, which means we have to add our own product so that we can sell it and can make money from it. So for this, you have to come back to your WordPress dashboard and come in the product section. Now to add or to remove any products, you can even do this by coming over here. So for example, if I want to remove this first item, which is content marketing, so you have to simply click on trash button and then click on OK button and come back to our website and click on refresh. Now that particular product has been removed. Okay, so what if you want to add your own product? So for example, if you want to add a new item, all you have to do is come back to your WordPress dashboard and you have to click on add new. Okay, so you have to name a product. So in my case, let it be a headphone, just to show you. Okay, a headphone. And now you have to write the description about that headphone. So for example, let me copy the description of these mugs only to show you. Okay, so just wait a second, let me copy this one because this description comes over here. Alright, and this description comes at the bottom part. Let me also show you. If you scroll down, it is a short description, hence it comes over here, and it is a long description, hence it comes over here. So I hope that you have understood this. Now the main part is, let me come, it's this middle part. So you have to just simply set the price of your product. So it is a simple product. Okay, so for example, let me price the headphone, so let it be $49. Now in the next part, we have to add some images of our products. Okay, so you have to scroll below. Now for this, you have to click on set product image. So you have to click on set, and if you have images in your media library, you can drag and drop from over here, or if you want to add, you have to click on upload files. So after adding an image, you have to click on set image. Okay, so this image is the image of your product, okay, which you are adding currently. So you also have to provide the category of that product which you are adding. So if you want to make a new category, you have to click on new, and let me name that category as headphones, and then simply click on add new category. So once you are done with this, you have to click on publish button so that this item can be live on your website. Okay, on your e-commerce website. For this, you have to click on publish button, and then you have to come back to your section of all products in your website. So as you can see over here, our work is doing fine. As you can see, we have added a headphone of $49. So let me open this. It looks good, it looks pretty awesome. Hence in this way, we add a new product in our website, in our e-commerce website. Okay, so let me come in this section. So as you can see, in this way we have to add products to our website. Now what if someone wants to make the payment and buy this particular headphone? Suppose I am a customer and I want to buy this headphone. So for this, I have to click on add to cart and then view cart. And then as you can see, the total is $49, which means that I have to make the payment of $49 to purchase this particular headphone. For this, I have to click on proceed to checkout. Now I have to make the payment by providing my details like first name, last name, country and address, so that this headphone can be delivered to my address. Okay, like state, zip code, phone number, email and city also. So side, as you can see over here, sorry, it seems that there are no payment methods available. Now we want to add a payment method, which is our step 3, which means that we have to add a payment method to it. For this, you have to come back to your WordPress dashboard and you have to click on WooCommerce and in the settings section. And then you have to simply come in the payment section. There will be multiple payment sections which you can on. Okay, like bank transfer, check payments or cash on delivery. So if you want to add cash on delivery to your e-commerce website, you have to simply enable this and you have to set up this. Okay, now for example, if you want to add any online payment gateway like Instamojo, PayPal, Stripe or anything else, what you have to do is simply scroll below and there will be an option of PayPal. You have to simply click on get started. And then as you can see over here, first of all you have to connect your existing PayPal account so that you can receive your payment in your PayPal account. For this you have to simply click over here, connect to PayPal. And then you have to provide your email over here which is associated with your PayPal account. Then simply click over here in the next button. Now it will say that this email is already with PayPal, hence you have to log in. So you have to write your email and password to log into your PayPal account. So once you have logged in, it will ask permission to connect your PayPal with WooCommerce so that you can receive your payment. For this you have to click on agree and connect. And now it will say that go back to WooCommerce developers. Now we have enabled this payment gateway. For this you have to click on enable the PayPal gateway and you have to scroll down and simply scroll down and come at the bottom part and click on save changes. Now you have to come back to your WordPress website in the checkout page and you have to click on refresh button. So as you can see, there is a two option, cash on delivery or PayPal. So if anyone want to pay with PayPal, he or she can pay, or if anyone want to pay on delivery, he can even do this. Hence in this way we can add the payment methods so that we can receive advanced online payments from the gateway. Now not only PayPal, you can add multiple payment gateways like Stripe, Instamojo or anything else. Now if someone has made the payment of regarding the order, like if I am a customer on this website and if I want to purchase this headphone, so I have made the payment of this headphone. Now this email will come to your inbox, which means that someone has placed the order of this headphone and you have received the $49 in your PayPal. Hence you have to deliver this headphone to your customer to the address which he has provided while placing the order. So hence in this way you can easily deliver the order to the address. So in this way you can easily customize your website and can make an e-commerce website to sell your own products online and can make money online in e-commerce business. Now if you want to add the products over here in the home page, you can even do this by coming in the Elementor section and can simply add your own products to the home page so that it looks good. Now customizing the home page or website totally depends up to you. Hence you have to use your own mind to customize your website. The main step is to add products and to receive payments, which I have showed you in this video. So I hope that you have learned from this video. If you have learned from this video, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thanks for watching this video.